If it's going to be rainy and cloudy, let it get it all out of the way
Yeah.
the rest of this week.
Because it can't happen on Monday. We
No.
have to be able to see the eclipse. George, please tell me you've got some good news.
Well, I think we'll have at least a good chance of seeing it. Not a perfect chance, not, a complete washout, but I think we got a pretty good chance, guys.
Good.
If you plan on traveling to other parts of the country, your odds are depending on where you're headed. We're going to show you that right now. The conditions are still pretty poor across much of Texas, although these are going to be high clouds, so that'll be not up against a blue sky, but there'll be some thin spots in the overcast. So over Arkansas, the conditions are improving. They're not terrible. Further north and east you go. You just keep in mind that these are all high-level clouds, and we've seen where the sun does shine through those high-level clouds, so you won't miss the eclipse. It just won't be up against a blue sky. As you head into the New England states, still not terrible, but again, not blue sky kind of eclipse watching. Just a lot of high filtered clouds throughout the eclipse time between about 1:30 and 3:30 on Monday. 13 weather ball is green, no change to the 40s foreseen for West Michigan.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Across the area, lots of cloud cover. In fact, from time to time, you can see what almost looks like a tornado on the ground. That's a pretty good rain shaft, but might actually have a little bit of snow mixed in with it as well. Mainly rain today across the region. Again, only in the 40s. A couple of spots with some sunshine over in the eastern part of the state. We have fewer rain and snow showers tomorrow and a little bit more sunshine. About 4 to 6 degrees warmer today compared to yesterday in Holland and South Haven. We're about the same as yesterday, and we'll be about the same here tomorrow despite a few breaks in the clouds. These scattered light rain showers right now are going to pretty much fall apart, and then fewer of them during the day tomorrow as that monster low continues to push off the eastern seaboard. It is quite a low affecting the northeastern U.S. Well, we've highlighted the eclipse path for you to show you what's going to be happening here in West Michigan. Of course, not the eclipse on Friday, but we'll see maybe that pop-up shower, but mainly sunshine. More sunshine expected during the day on Saturday. On Sunday, we're watching that system come on out, and that's going to bring some clouds and some afternoon showers now on Sunday, but it will also clear out on Monday. We'll see mainly sunshine here in West Michigan on Monday, and you can see along the eclipse path, this is between about 1 and 3 in the afternoon. There are going to be some rain showers over Texas, but not bad here in Arkansas all the way up into northern Ohio, so at least it's going to be improving just a little bit. About 0.06 of an inch of rain on Sunday afternoon and evening. None reported here Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So we've taken the rain out next Wednesday, but quite a bit of rain the end next week, both Thursday and Friday now. Long range outlook says we're going to see high chances for warmer temperatures between the 10th and the 14th, second full week of April, and a higher chance for more precipitation as the storm track continues to be over the eastern part of the U.S. Tonight will be mostly cloudy and mainly dry, around freezing or a little bit below, so watch out for a slick spot. Upper 20s up north under mostly cloudy skies after an evening sprinkle or flurry ends, and will be below freezing also here in the greater Grand Rapids area, around 29 to 30. 13 on your side forecast. About a 20% you could get a sprinkle or a flurry, mainly in the morning tomorrow, hitting 46 with help from some sun tomorrow. 53 on Saturday, 55 on Sunday. There's the afternoon and evening rain. Right now we're going for mostly sunny on Eclipse Day here in West Michigan on Monday with 64 degrees. 67 on Tuesday, a chance of a shower mainly south early in the day. We've taken the rain out of the forecast next Wednesday, kept it in for next Thursday and Friday, but improving weather all the way around after a very kind of crappy start to the month of April.
I mean, that's the word to use. I mean,
So much rain, so much
yeah,
gloom.
so much cold. Yeah.
Ready for some warmer, sunnier spring. Thanks so much.
Between the last time I was out on the weather deck and currently on the weather deck, we had a nice rain shower. Everything is wet again, and it's been wet pretty much every day since the last weekend. We do have some hope ahead for drier weather. 13 weather ball at least isn't blinking bright tonight, but it is green, so no change to the 40s foreseen.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
As far as walking the dog, you may have to dodge a shower, Dwayne and Luann, for Tucker. We got that at 8 o'clock, and again in the morning, maybe a couple of snowflakes mixed in, very similar to today, but fewer and far between with those rain showers. So you'll get several chances without getting wet. A little more sunshine tomorrow, especially later on in the afternoon, 5.5 compared to a 1.7 today to create green energy. Winds will be up a little bit here tomorrow, but they'll be out of the north. That'll limit our high temperatures mainly in the mid and upper 40s. We had some spotty showers after some pretty persistent rain this morning. These are all being driven by kind of the heat of the day wrapping around that big low pressure system that has quickly moved into the New England states. So you can see how large that is. It is affecting all of the northeastern part of the United States. Our winds are going to stay to the north for the next several days. We've highlighted a little bit. You can see down there the eclipse path over northern Ohio. Tomorrow morning, maybe a brief rain or snow shower, but a few clouds in the afternoon, then some late day sunshine. Overnight, Friday night into Saturday, clear. A nice sunny day coming up on Saturday as well. Into Sunday, we're going to start the day with some sunshine, but it looks like the rain may move in during the afternoon and evening. But the quicker it moves in, the faster it will move on out. In fact, we're going to start the day with mainly sunny skies on Monday. Might be a couple of clouds popping up in the afternoon, but I think the experience to see the near total eclipse here in West Michigan will be a good one. As far as traveling, you may have to find a spot down in northern Ohio to actually get lots of clear skies. Long range outlook from April 12th through the 18th. That's just beyond the end of our 10-day. Much of the country seeing high chances for warmer than average readings. By that time, we're in the mid and upper 50s, and looking ahead for the 12th through the 18th of the month, a little higher chance for less precipitation with a bullseye over Illinois. So all of the active weather staying well to our south across Texas and in Florida during that 7-day period. For us tonight, after maybe another brief rain or snow shower this evening, skies will just be mostly cloudy. We will drop down to around freezing or a little bit below. So just keep in mind as you head out the door in the morning, there could be a slippery spot from the leftover rain. Upper 20s up north under mostly cloudy skies after the evening showers, and similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area, a little bit below freezing, around 29 to 30. 13 on your side forecast. So a chance there could still be a few rain or snow showers early on in the day and then becoming mostly sunny. 53 and mostly sunny Saturday. Starting out Sunday with sunshine and 55, but there's that rain afternoon and evening. It'll end. On Monday, I'm going to go with mostly sunny to partly cloudy and 64. 67 and dry on Tuesday. Any showers should be off to the south. We've taken the rain or pushed it south on Wednesday, so still low 60s, but we kept the rain in for next Thursday, Friday, and perhaps the following Saturday night with, guys, a little bit more seasonable, if not milder weather for West Michigan. Finally.
We're due.
We're due.
Lots of April showers, that's for sure.
Thank you, George. It's been raining off and on during our newscast earlier at 5, and now at 6 it's dry again, so go figure.
I don't know if that's 3 words, Juliet, off and on,
on,
or is it off and on? Because, you know, it's been really on more than it's been off. Yeah, absolutely. I love it when I do that. As far as our weather, we are seeing improving conditions heading into the weekend. Tomorrow is Friday, yay, and the 13 weather ball at least is not blinking bright, but it's still green, and that means no change to the 40s foreseen.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And as far as our temperatures today, still in the 40s. Average high is 53. We almost matched that last year. It was colder than that today. Only 45 in Grand Rapids, came within 1 degree of my forecast of 46. We've been within our target range now 3 days in a row. And yeah, another day in a row with some rain, about 1/10 of an inch or a little bit more out at the airport. Generally lighter amounts, but just kind of on and off all day long. And we're going to see fewer incidents of rain and snow showers here tonight and tomorrow. Still got a few here and there. Some of this is being driven by the heat of the day, and once the sun goes down, you'll notice pretty much all of those are done. In fact, a little bit of clearing, especially north of Grand Rapids. Most areas will fall to or below freezing tonight, so watch out for a stray random slippery spot here in West Michigan. You notice some clouds building up during the day tomorrow and a brief sprinkle But for the most part, I think we're just going to stay mostly cloudy. By the afternoon and evening, sun will come out. We'll have a strong north wind, however, and clear skies Friday night into Saturday. So beautiful day coming up on Saturday. Just a few cumulus clouds in the middle of the day for an hour or two. Saturday night, we're going to stay clear. Sunday, we've been talking about some rain coming on in. Looks like it may arrive in the afternoon now instead of overnight, but that's good news because the faster it comes in, the quicker it'll clear on out. This is 8 o'clock in the morning on Monday. We've got some sunshine. Just like Saturday, we may see some clouds build up for a brief time in the afternoon, but I think we've got optimum viewing conditions here in West Michigan to at least get a chance to see the 94% solar eclipse, especially in Grand Rapids. Further south, depending on where you go, we will see either mostly cloudy skies or even some sunshine. As far as precipitation, we've got that one chance of rain. That's late in the day on Sunday. It actually may be done by midnight because no rain's being printed out for Monday, Tuesday, and it looks like Wednesday is now going to be dry. End of next week, though, lots of rain, about a little less than an inch both Thursday and Friday, followed by a possibly dry Saturday. I think it'll be Saturday night and Sunday next week. Tomorrow, though, we'll still include a chance of a sprinkle or a flurry, but most areas may stay dry, mostly cloudy to start, some sunshine by the end of the day. Low and mid 40s. That's about where you were today. I know Muskegon, you are about 3 degrees cooler. Mid 40s north. Again, a stray random rain or snow shower early in the day and then some sunshine breaking loose later on. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, pretty much the same. I think high temperatures will be very similar in the mid and possibly even upper 40s. 13 on your side forecast. Other than those stray showers, mainly a dry day tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday morning as we climb into the 50s this weekend. There's that afternoon and evening rain Sunday. It might be done by midnight. 64 and at least mostly sunny to partly cloudy on Eclipse Day Monday. 67 and mostly dry on Tuesday. There is a chance of a shower mainly to the south of Grand Rapids on Tuesday afternoon. Dry, mostly cloudy, a little cooler Wednesday, 62, but there's that rain that we've pushed out of Wednesday into Thursday, Friday, possibly dry early Saturday with some rain Saturday night, but that is about 9 days away. The trend, Juliet, is toward improving and milder weather.
Well, that is good, and we are also glad that that rain is going to come earlier Sunday so it can get out quicker to clear those skies on Monday.
That's what our hope for.
All right. Thank you, George.